Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Ledger Nano X to your Coinspot account. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your Ledger Live app and website, and from here click on accounts. Now from this screen you have to select the cryptocurrency that you are going to transfer. I'm transferring XRP, so I will just click on XRP from here, and from this screen click on this send button at the top of your screen. Then it's going to open up this window. So in this recipient address you have to paste the wallet address from your Coinspot. So open up your Coinspot app and then click on this coins option from the bottom of your screen. After that, in this search bar you have to search for the cryptocurrency that are going to receive in your Coinspot. So we are transferring the XRP, so I will just type XRP in search bar and select the XRP from here. Now on this screen you have to click on this wallet option, and then you will find this receive button at the bottom of your screen. So just click on it, and then you just have to use the network, select the network that you are going to use. So I'm going to use the XRP, so I will just click on it, and then you just have to click on this generate deposit address, and you will be able to get your wallet address. Click on this copy button right next to your wallet address, and then go back to your Ledger Live app and paste the wallet address here. And you also have to copy this memo or tag option and then paste this memo in this tag section in your Ledger Live. So if they have provided any tag or memo, you also have to paste it, but if they haven't provided anything, you can leave this blank and then click on continue, and you just have to enter the amount how much you are going to transfer and then click on continue. Then you have to confirm these details, make sure wallet address and amount is correct, and then click on continue. And lastly, you have to confirm this action on your Ledger device, Ledger Nano X device. So you need to press these two buttons on your device, and once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Ledger Nano X to your Coinspot account. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.